fun facts, and aviation stories. The world of aviation is full of fascinating facts and stories. Here are 10 fun tidbits about flying and the aviation industry. 1. The 747's hidden room. The Boeing 747, often referred to as the Queen of the Skies, has a small hidden room called the crew rest compartment above the main cabin where flight attendants and pilots can sleep or relax during long flights. 2. First female pilot. The first licensed female pilot in India was Sarla Thakral, who earned her license in 1936. She was a pioneering figure for women in aviation. 3. Tiny windows. Ever wonder why airplane windows are round? It's because square windows were found to cause stress points in the fuselage, which led to accidents in the early days of jet travel. Round windows distribute the stress more evenly. 4. Tire speed. When an airplane lands, the tires have to speed up from 0 to sometimes over 250 kilometers per hour in a split second, which is why they occasionally emit a puff of smoke upon touchdown. It's a little bit of rubber burning off. 5. The miracle on the Hudson. One of the most famous recent aviation incidents is the miracle on the Hudson in 2009. Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberger safely landed U.S. Airways Flight 1549 on the Hudson River after both engines were disabled by a bird strike. 6. The 5,000-part machine. Modern jetliners like the Boeing 747 have over 5 million parts. Despite this complexity, air travel remains one of the safest modes of transportation. 7. Ghost flights. Sometimes airlines operate empty ghost flights. This can happen due to reasons like maintaining airport slots, which often require airlines to operate a certain number of flights, whether they're full or not. 8. Oldest operating airline. Founded in 1919, KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, is the world's oldest airline still operating under its original name. 9. A plane's lifespan. Aircraft don't retire based on age. Instead, they retire after about 25,000 pressurizations. This usually amounts to 20-30 years of service. 10. Highest altitude record. The highest altitude ever achieved by a jet aircraft in sustained horizontal flight is held by the SR-71 Blackbird at 85,069 feet. 11. Tiny hole in plane windows. Ever noticed the small hole in the bottom of an airplane window? It's called a breather hole and is essential for regulating the pressure between the window's inner and middle pane. 12. Runway numbers. Runway numbers actually indicate the compass bearing of the runway. For example, a runway numbered Aero 927 points east, 90 degrees, and west, 270 degrees. If the magnetic declination or alignment of the runway changes, the runway may be renumbered. 13. The shortest commercial flight. The world's shortest commercial flight is operated by Loganair between the two Orkney Islands, Westray and Papa Westray, in Scotland. The flight can be as short as 47 seconds, depending on the wind. Aviation, with its rich history and constant technological advancements, is always a source of delightful and sometimes unexpected trivia. I hope you found these facts as intriguing as the previous ones. Join us at Captain Sahil Khurana Aviation Academy for more such interesting facts.